Buongiorno, Figaholics friends. This morning we're in Italy. Linda and I are vacation in Italy. And we started out in Rome and then Soriano, which is north of Rome. We went to Assisi for a couple of days. And now we're in a small town west of Florence. And we're near our friend Siro, who's we met him several years ago on Facebook from Figs, and he greeted us when we arrived here last night. He brought us a nice basket with some figs. He made a basket. He makes baskets. Gave that as a gift, and he didn't tell me the name of this fig, but he said it's his favorite. What the sunlight is better. So I've not eaten this yet before. There's also some Côte d'Homme Noir and Côte d'Homme Blanc in there. Oh, I should say today is November, 20th maybe? Or, no, not 20th yet. Somewhere 19th.
18th or 19th.
Yeah. And they had some warm weather last week, so he's got some fresh figs pretty late in the year. This is a nice berry flavor. Not real sweet, but it's, late in the year. But he says it's his favorite. Smooth skin, soft, tender. His Côte d'Homme Noir are also tender. I've not eaten any of the Côte d'Homme Blanc yet. Anyway, this is our breakfast. We're staying at agrotourismo, which is a tourist farm. And we get breakfast and dinner here and go out during the day. Anyway, thanks for watching, and ciao.